Welcome to Physics Hub. This video is dedicated to Mr. Sushant Singh Rajput, who has left this mortal world recently. So when I first saw the news of his demise, I got stunned. I could not believe it. But बाद में जब मैं न्यूज़ चैनल्स वगैरह चेक किया, then I saw that they were also reporting on the same thing. पहले बार देख के मुझे लगा maybe this was a fake news. बट जब मैं ऐसे न्यूज़ चैनल्स वगैरह देखने लगा, उसमें भी देखा रहा था कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत हैज़ कमिटेड सुसाइड, एंड जो प्राइमरी रीजन दिया जा रहा था कि इट वाज ड्यू टू डिप्रेशन। तो देखने के बाद मुझे यकीन नहीं हुआ, बिलीव नहीं हुआ। आई वाज कम्प्लीटली शॉक्ड एंड स्टन्ड। सो इट वाज इंडीड अ ग्रेट लॉस फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस। In this video, I am not going to talk about the controversies or any other things. I know and you all know that he was indeed a good actor. मेरे लैपटॉप में जितने भी बॉलीवुड मूवीज़ है, मतलब 3 ही बॉलीवुड मूवीज़ है मेरे लैपटॉप में, उनमें से एक मूवी सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का है, MS धोनी। सो मैं वो रेगुलरली देखता रहता हूँ, वो कुछ मूवीज़ जिससे मुझे मोटिवेशन मिलता है, इंस्पिरेशन मिलता है। तो MS धोनी वॉज वन ऑफ देम। तो इस वीडियो में हम लोग वो बाकी सारी चीज़ों के बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे। तो आप लोग अगर नहीं पता है तो आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू दैट बिसाइड्स बीइंग ए ब्रिलियंट एक्टर, सुशांत सिंह राजपूत वाज अ साइंस जीनियस। सो उन्होंने इंजीनियरिंग की थी और ही यूज्ड टू लव साइंस ए लॉट एंड स्पेशली ही हैड ए ग्रेट इंटरेस्ट इन फिजिक्स। सो इन दिस वीडियो आई विल try to highlight, I'll try to showcase that love for physics. I have gone through his Instagram profile and tried to highlight some of the things that will definitely prove that he had an intense love for physics. Okay, let's start with his bio on the Instagram account. So as you can see in the bio, the first line says photon in a double slit experiment. This line is enough to show how much he used to love physics. It is a reference to the famous experiment first performed by Thomas Young. Thomas Young performed this experiment to showcase that when photons passes through the double slit gives rise to interference pattern. So this experiment was basically designed to prove the fact that a particle has both wave nature and particle nature. So when photon undergoes double slit experiment, it shows its wave nature, but when we send electrons through this double slit, it also gives rise to interference pattern, and it shows that photon is not only having a wave like nature, but it is also having some particle type nature. So he was so curious and interested about this experiment that in the list of 50 wishes he wrote it at number 10. So perform a double slit experiment. So he wanted to perform a double slit experiment once in his lifetime, but unfortunately he could not do that. So Sushant Singh Rajput was very curious about this science thing, and he was also a religious person. He used to find out a bridge between religion and science. So some of the posts also showcase this thing. So you can see this post of his, Avatam Shaka Sutra describes enlightenment as an awareness of the interpenetration of space and time. One cannot help but wonder if Einstein's theory of relativity that unifies space and time was just a stroke of genius or a glimpse of divine. #spacetime. So this kind of post is sufficient to make you understand that how much he was interested or passionate about this science and religion thing. He always used to find out some link between the two. Okay, many posts are there like this. I have only shown this one. And besides being a brilliant actor, he was also a science genius, and especially he had an intense love for physics. So though many of you do not know this, that he possessed a telescope, and the model is Meade 14-inch LX600. So that he bought so that he could see the rings of Saturn. So you can see that he was more passionate about science than his acting. Okay, he was obviously brilliant in his acting career, but his love for physics or science were far greater than this, I guess. And from his post, I can say that. Recently, Shraddha Kapoor gave her interview and he quoted like this: he showed me the moon through his telescope. Okay, so how much he was curious about this space thing, you can imagine from those Instagram posts. This is another post. You just look at the caption, the my side of the moon, and he highlighted some portion of the moon. He was very curious about this astrophysics and space, time, relativity, etc. I mean, last year ही हम लोग चंद्रयान 2 को भेजे थे. बीइंग अ बॉलीवुड एक्टर आप ऐसा एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करते हो कि किसी का इतना भी इंटरेस्ट होगा ऐसे चीज़ों पे, बट ही वॉज क्वाइट क्यूरियस अबाउट इट. यू कैन सी हिज पोस्ट, द अनस्टॉपेबल विक्रम एंड द अनडिनाइबल प्रज्ञान ऑफ आवर नेशन, एंड जस्ट कैन वेट चंद्रयान 2. He was also quite interested in coding and artificial intelligence thing, and you can see his post. The funny thing about machine learning is that it closely seems to mimic human learning algorithms, which when studied closely by a human could help him to learn even more, and that could eventually enable them to make better machine learning algorithms, and on nice. So this kind of post show his love for artificial intelligence, coding. Being an engineer, this kind of behavior is expected, because many actors are there who are also engineers, but they don't show this kind of passion or interest in towards science. So here there was a brilliant video, and you can read the caption like this: one of my favorite videos to feel the dynamics of perspectives and the measure of possibilities. So I watched this video, and this video was really an interesting video, and you can also watch this video. Okay, I will show you the video here. Last but not the least, his sense of humor was awesome, and you can see it here. So this pic is now on trending. Don't be a D3S by DT3. So this basically this D3S and DT3 represents jerk, rate of change of acceleration. So if you take S to be the displacement, then dsdt gives you velocity, and time derivative of velocity means d square s by dt square, that gives you acceleration. And further, if you take derivative with respect to time, d3s by dt3, it gives you jerk, and it has a unit of meter per second cube. You can physically see this thing on this curve. So when j equals to 0, you get a straight line, means uniform acceleration. But when it is greater than 0, it is a zigzag line like this. It shows that the acceleration is not uniform, means the rate of change of acceleration is not 0. It has some finite jerk. So these many posts showcased his immense interest towards science, or especially towards physics. So I think you have got to know some of the beautiful facts about this legend, and thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.